So my hair loss started probably about 5 or so years ago is where I noticed it the most. It really started thinning mostly on my sides. I started filling in with extensions all I could, and I got to the point where I couldn't even put extensions in anymore. I then went to the doctor to see what was going on. I came back positive for what they call ANA. It's basically a autoimmune disorder. So then I started seeing a rheumatologist, and at that point, my hair loss started becoming even worse. I transitioned to toppers, and then once I switched off from toppers, when I couldn't do that anymore, I made the switch to full wigs, and I honestly have not looked back since. 3 years since I've been in full wigs, and I have probably gone through about 4 or 5 different companies, and each one had different aspects that I really liked about them, but it was never like the perfect wig. And I landed on Lus one day, and I am hooked. When I put it on, it just fits me. It's like it is growing out of my head, and it's me. The cap fits me, the hairline, the part lines, the colors, everything is phenomenal. Being a woman and having hair loss, I think we struggle to find that inner beauty, and it's pretty crazy how much confidence, when you put your wig on, it makes you feel so happy. And I don't do it for anybody else but myself. It makes me feel like me again. Another reason I choose Lus is because of the owner, Lynn. She is hands down probably one of the best people to ever work with. Super sweet, honest, always there for you, great customer service. People's misconception on wearing wigs. I think when people think of a wig, they think of like a Halloween store wig, that you have to be bald in order to wear a wig, or have cancer, or full alopecia, that you don't grow any hair. Yes, I do have hair still on my head. It doesn't matter what kind of hair loss that you have. It could be, just really thin, fine hair to somebody that does have full alopecia. It shouldn't matter. So many people will tell me, but your hair is just not that bad. And it's like, well, it's not what I remember it. It doesn't make me feel pretty anymore. When I put on Lus Wigs, it makes me feel like myself again. Me being in my shoes and being a hairstylist, I think helps tremendously, because I'm super open about it, very open on my social media, and I've actually had people reach out on my Instagram page asking questions and all of that, and I love to help. Like I want to help. I want everybody to know that they're not alone. If they are struggling, there are alternatives. Alternative hair has come so far, it's crazy. I want to help everybody, so that's why I'm super open about it, because people comment on my hair everywhere we go. I'm like, thanks, it's a wig. And they're like, what? It's perfect. I love her wigs, and they're amazing.